There it goes.
See? Well, yay! That way we can laugh at you in 10, 20 years.
Lexi! Look, she's looking at the mountains. Pretty mountains. Lexi!
Look.
La 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 la.
Well, yay!
She likes it.
She does.
Are you drooling on Daddy's head?
Ew. At least I'm not bald.
What? What are you getting angry for? Diaper. Ooh, I see her butt.
Let's go see if we can find a duck.
Let's go see. Let's go see what Daddy can find. She's looking back at me like, Mommy, what are you doing? I'm right here, Goober. I'm right here. She's like looking at me like, what are you doing?
There she goes.
Yay, baby. Look at the mountains, Mommy. Look, let's stop and look at the mountains. Pretty. Uh-oh, they left me. You left Mommy. You what?
Look at that little water thingy over there. The little water
Boom. I got the baby.
The little drop over there.
Smile to everybody. Say I love you. In the mountains. She loves the mountains. Yay.
I wish I had her shoes.
I know, we forgot.
Well, she can walk, man. That would be so fun bringing her here again. I wonder if they scuba dive in here too.